What are the signs of ovulation that you can watch out for, and what will help you plan your pregnancy better? I am Dr. Swajla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let me give you these answers in two different ways. One is what your body tells you. Listen to your body. If you pay attention to what it is telling you, you can make out if you are ovulating or not. But if you want to be correct or accurate, there are some tests that you can perform and by which you can be sure that you are ovulating. So, to begin with, let's talk about how your body is talking to you. About 15 days before your menstrual cycle or your period, your egg ovulates. The egg ovulates from a follicle inside the ovary. This is like a balloon that is filling up with water. It is filling up with follicular fluid, and inside that the egg is growing. As it comes to the right age or the stage, it bursts open and the egg ovulates. As it ovulates, it gets into the tubes, and if sperms are present there, fertilization occurs. The follicle that bursts, because water is present inside it and it falls all over the peritoneal cavity or the stomach, it irritates the lining and that causes stomach pain. So if you were to pay attention to that pain, which is 15 days before ovulation, you might get a signal that you could be ovulating. In addition to this, some people have breast tenderness. There is soreness in the nipples, or there is back pain, headaches, dehydration, dizziness, lack of hunger. All these things could be linked to ovulation. However, some women don't even have all these signs or any of them. So how should they find out? The most important trick is to see how many days your period cycle is for. Is it 29 days, 28 days, 30 days? And remember, the egg ovulates always 15 days before your period. So if it is a regular cycle, suppose it is a 30-day cycle, around the 14th or 15th day, the egg ovulates. But to be certain, how do you know if you can be sure? There is a test called luteinizing hormone urine test. If you get that pregnancy kit around the time of ovulation, about 2 days before or on the day of ovulation, and you try putting the first urine of the day on this kit, it shows 2 lines or a positive test. It means that there is a luteinizing hormone in your bloodstream. I'll explain what it is, and you are about to ovulate. Now what is this? The luteinizing hormone is released by the brain when the egg is of the right size, and it can be released from the ovaries. So when it is at its peak, the ovary, the egg respond to it and the egg releases itself. So luteinizing hormone surge is a very good indicator that your egg is about to ovulate. When you do this test and there are 2 lines, it could mean that you could be ovulating or about to ovulate. This is a very good test to do. Then there is basal body temperature. If you were to analyze your body temperature around the time of ovulation, there is a slight increase in temperature of 0.5 to 1 degree centigrade. Now this is an indication that the egg could be ovulating. Pay attention to your cervical mucus also. That could also give you a lot of information. It could become watery, so that when there is intercourse, sperms are present there, it is very easy for the sperms to swim towards the egg, which could be waiting in the tubes, and fertilization to occur. So these are a few changes that happen around the time of ovulation, and if you were to pay attention to your body signals and to the changes that are happening in the hormones or in the body temperature, you can understand your fertile window better and plan your pregnancy better. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us on the numbers you see on the screen.